Greetings. Today I want to speak to you on the subject of alchemy and the sixth sense. And this video will definitely have to be an introduction to many other videos that I will do just like this one to help you to understand more concerning the sixth sense and alchemy. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to be very honest with you. And when it comes to the sixth sense and alchemy, you would never thought that people like me would be able to articulate such philosophy or even to teach this kind of philosophy. And the reason why I say that is because even if you look like me, you are taught that you originated from slavery. And if you do not look like me, you have to be a very rounded person to be able to sit and listen to someone like me because of how you are raised and what you can see all around you. For example, you look around you and you will see those who own the mega yachts. You see those who own the airlines. You see those who you are taught to be the innovators and the inventors and so on. You would see those who you have been taught to be great scientists and so on. And then you find that there's a people who are superstitious and religious and so on. And so because of that, you will have a certain thinking towards a certain set of people based on how they look. And no one can be angry with you for that or judge you for that, because we all were raised to be ignorant by a system that do not want you to understand the power of the sixth sense and alchemy. Therefore, my brothers and my sisters, as I bring this series of videos to you from time to time, it wouldn't be one after the other. From time to time, I'm going to bring these videos to help to raise your awareness and to help to sensitize you of what is really happening. Like, for example, when you look on the internet, you would not see people who are like me, who are teaching this kind of philosophy, have millions and millions of followers or views. It is only those who are willing to do derogative and belittling things to themselves, you see, have millions and millions of views and followers. And it is because everything has been set that way. Many people say, yes, the algorithm and all of that, but you have to understand that all of that been put in place based on the understanding of the sixth sense, because they can use the sixth sense to program you to think certain way. So they know what you like. They know what you will gravitate towards and so on, because they know your thinking. They would have studied you, okay? And they have a good understanding of the laws that governs all of humanity. And the reason why I'm taking my time to explain all of these things to you, because this is the core of my work. It's the core of my ministry. Because when I speak of the sixth sense, this is not theory for me. This is experience. When I speak about the pineal gland, when I speak about the third eye, it's not theory. It's experience. I am the witness himself. Okay? When I speak about Abdullah and Neville Goddard, I'm not theorizing for you. When I go in the Bible and prove to you that the Bible is a book of mind science and that it was misinterpreted to keep you in mental slavery, I am not theorizing to you either. I am speaking from experience. When I tell you to get rid of the Jesus and Mary story out of your mentality, I'm not theorizing for you. Okay? It's all out of experience. So, my brother and my sisters, there are many fake people on the internet who are speaking about the third eye and speaking about the sixth sense, and all they're doing is showing you the symbol And what they're telling you to do is basically showing you the symbol. But you want those who've had the experience, those who was chosen to have the actual experience, to share their experience with you, and then use that intelligence to teach you how to come into your higher self. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. So in another video, I'm going to share my awakening experience to you and prove to you that people who look just like me would have had this kind of experience way back in Egypt, way back in Kemet, okay, and way back before slavery. I'm going to share that with you. So you would realize that when it comes to enlightenment, many point you to India. But I'm showing you, no, it's not just India, okay? Africa, the beginning of all civilization, back to Ethiopia and so on. That is why Abdullah came from Ethiopia. And also you would realize why Abdullah was pointing Neville to the Caribbean for the first class life. And Neville said, a man will come after me. You have to understand all the symbology. So, my brother, my sister, I can go on and on and on, but I just want to lay that foundation for you, because as I said to you, this first video, it is just an introduction, okay, of the sixth sense and alchemy. And it is your response that I am looking forward to, that would tell me that you really want me to go into these things and to even go in the Bible and show you where these things are hidden concerning the sixth sense and alchemy. So your response means a lot to me, and how much you share this video, because I want to be able to reach a greater audience, a wider audience. I want to help people all around the world. I want to help people in Africa. I want to help people in the Caribbean. I want to help people in America, in England, in Canada, all around the world. And I need your energy to merge with me also, okay, and remove all the obstacles and the stumbling blocks that might come in our way from us getting this kind of powerful message out to the masses. Because it can go to the masses by an Indian guru. It can go to the masses by anyone. But when it comes to people who look like me, because of what you are fed, and because of what most people believe about people who looks like me, trust me, we have to fight harder. And for us to get through, we have to merge our energy together. So, as I come to close, I just want to remind you once more again that this is just the introduction. I'm going to go into more and more of these kind of videos concerning the sixth sense and alchemy and open it up for you. But as I said before, my next video, I'm going to share my experience with you. So you know, you're not just listening to a man who want to be on the internet to make a buck. You're hearing from one who is here just because of that experience. Because if it was not for that experience, I wouldn't have been here bringing this message of self-realization to you. And that is why if you go back to my older videos, I always used to give you the sign of the single eye and saying to you that this message is the single eye message of self-realization, of which Matthew 6:22 say that if your eye be single, your whole body will be full of light. And that is why I used to always say to you that the symbol and the US dollar, it's not a evil symbol or the all-seeing eye of any Lucifer, any evil one. It is the eye of intelligence. It's the eye of the mystics. It's the eye of the wise ones. Those who have gone to the high place of self-realization, self-actualization. And those who would have had the Christ experience. They would know what it's all about, because they are the highest, are on the highest level of existence on this planet. The mystics, the prophets, the sages, they are the ones. Okay, so my brother, my sister, I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share this video. Share this video as much as possible. It would definitely help the algorithm. I really feel the energy inside of me wants these videos to go more widely, more globally. And I want you to really join your energy with me. Okay? Because we are as strong as our weakest link, and unity is strength. So I want to say also to you, if you feel strongly to support this work, you always remember that there's a PayPal and the link is down below. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram or you like to follow me on TikTok, you can follow me at Black Mad Guru. Also, I have a Patreon, and if you want to be a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. And you can ask me on things you would like for me to speak on if you are a patron. Okay? So if you join, you can also do that. Also, I have a course that is called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And it's for people who are willing to donate $20 or more. And it's all about you aligning with that sun, that light that is within you, that intelligence that is within you, that will bring you into the place of the sixth sense and teach you more of alchemy. So if you feel strongly to listen to those videos, you know exactly what to do. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I want to say peace. Love you all. I'm out.